friends, it's Penny Wolf, and oh, I went to a car show tonight. That's how come I have this outfit on and I have my hair up this way. Anyhow, it was a whole lot of fun, and I absolutely love the 50s, but I wanted to show the outfit really quick to you because it's all stuff that I thrifted, and I have a black jacket like this too, but it says Pink Ladies, and this top I also thrifted, and the jeans, and on the back it says Pink Ladies. Anyhow, I just wanted to share that with you because I thought it'd be fun. Today I have another haul video for you, and we'll get right on with that. If you'd like, please push the like button. I'd appreciate that, and we'll get on with the haul. You know, I want to state that, you know, you watch a lot of the YouTubes and you wonder sometimes about their amounts and their figures, and I'm extremely honest. I'm telling you like it is, and, you know, we don't always find like the big name brands every single time. A lot of times you just got to go with what they call the bread and butter, but you know, those sales all add up. If you sell a $10 item and you have 20 of them a day, 20 sales, that's $200 a day, and that really adds up for the week. That'd be $1,400 for for 1 week. Anyhow, we're gonna go ahead and get with the haul. The first item that I bought is a Talbot's, and it is a, it's got a really cute front knot. It's a short sleeve, however, it's a size 0. It's really tiny, but it was brand new with tags. I got it for $1, and at the Salvation Army, 5 for $5, and the price on this thing was like, looks like it says right around $79. However, I looked it up and didn't really find much on Posh for it at all. But on eBay, maybe around $34. That could be pushing it. I just started trying free shipping. Just starting to with all the newer listings. A lot of my older ones still have shipping. But I'm going to try it for all the stuff that goes first class and see how it does. Anyhow, it's Talbot's. Talbot's is a little bit older line. And they have some really cute pieces though, and I find that it seems like it sells a little bit more on eBay. However, this next item I got this for $1 too. It's a loft, and it was brand new with tags, and it's like a knit, or almost, I would consider almost like a sweater dress, and it's sleeveless. It's really cute, really pretty, and doesn't have how much it was brand new or the manufacturer, you know, suggested retail price. I looked it up on both, on Posh and eBay, and they were right around the same amount. Only about $20 to $25. That's not very much. However, that's the going rate. It's loft. We'll get it listed anyhow. And this next item I picked up is a J. Crew, and it's a sweater vest. It's a 2-piece, and looks like there's a piece of fuzz there. I picked it up because it was a 2-piece. A few years ago, the sweater cardigans did sell, you know, a little bit in J. Crew. However, this is a little bit older one. You can tell by the tag on the bottom. Sometimes they'll have on the rear, you know, when it was made, and usually you want to get stuff that's, you know, maybe like 2017 or newer. This is older, but I did take a chance on it. Got it for $1 for both pieces, and on eBay maybe $29, maybe. Posh, probably not much. Some people do really great with J. Crew. However, I find that most pieces I pick up kind of sit, but I took a chance. Okay. This next item, a couple years ago, they were really popular. It's a Robert Graham, and it used to be a really quick, easy, at least $50. However, the price has really went down a lot. And but I didn't look it up. I didn't take my phone in when I was thrifting, and I still got it. It does not have the flip cuff for the, you know, contrast pattern, but it's still a very nice striped shirt. It's kind of purplish. I paid $5.99. I did get the senior citizen discount for 25% off, and I was like, so anyhow, the Robert Graham, I paid $5.99, and it looks like, to tell you the truth, they're ranging maybe $20, maybe $30, more on eBay. There was a few on Posh, but not as many. Posh is kind of, you know, building up, you know, I think, you know, selling more men's, you know, it has been more women's. This is the Knowledge, Wisdom, and Truth. I don't know if they all have that, but I will put that in the title, or at least in the description, just in case. This next item I also paid regular price for because it's a Victoria's Secret and it's all silk. And the reason I picked it up is because it is all silk. $3.99 with the 25% off. And it has almost like a little bit of an Asian print, which that also is kind of a benefit for this. And on eBay, on this here, you know, maybe it's really going to vary. Maybe around, you know, $29. Posh probably isn't, I don't know if I'll list it on Posh, but on eBay I will list this. And it's really pretty. This next item, I was like super happy to find this because it is a St. John, not St. John Bay. Make sure you don't, you know, if you don't know the difference, that you don't get them confused because it's two different things. This is a St. John, and it's very pretty. It's all like embroidered, and it's a sweater, and it's got the side zip. And one thing I've always noticed about St. John, they don't ever have a material tag, ever. I don't think, except for maybe one of the newer ones. Usually there's nothing, no material tag. They have a little tag there, but it's a dry clean only tag, but it doesn't have material tag. And I think a lot of times it's just called something like, I have to look it up, but it's like the Santa Monica knit. However, this is a really good brand. And I went ahead and paid full price because it was only $3.99. Usually they price this up a little bit there. However, some of the pieces, some of the dresses can go for like, oh my gosh, like $100 to $200 sometimes. Anyways, on this sweater here, I looked it up on both. And, you know, I think, believe it or not, this time I think eBay, they were selling for a little bit more than, no, they were selling more on Posh than eBay. eBay was around $29. Posh was between $40 and $60. And I will try, you know, hopefully maybe around $40 or $45. It's St. John. Very, very nice line. This haul that we're doing today, which I know is in the title, is how to, you know, turn $20 into around $250. And that's where we're at, you know, with kind of like the pricing and stuff like that. For some reason, I'm sorry, I apologize. I keep looking at my notes. I have to write down all the prices and stuff that I've looked things up for because I want to be very accurate. Anyhow, this is a Hilo Hottie, and it's made in Hawaii. And Hawaiian shirts, some of them can be, you know, be worth quite a little bit, and some of them do move. This isn't like a really fast high end mover, but it is silk. I paid $3.99 with the 25% off, same 25% off on the St. John. And this one I will only list on eBay, and this one maybe around $25. But some Hawaiian stuff goes for quite a little bit of money. This next item, I really wasn't sure if I was going to pick it up. It's an Abercrombie and Fitch, and it's a men's, but it's a 2XL. It is like in really, really good shape. I mean, really nice shape. It's a stripe, you know, long sleeve button. And I picked it up because it was a larger size. I haven't been picking up this brand a lot, but I thought I'd give it a try. And I looked it up. I'll only list this probably on eBay and maybe $15. But I paid $1 for it. That's still a really great, you know, return on investment. Sometimes, you know, you just got to go with what you find, you know, too. This next one is Banana Republic. I don't pick up all Banana Republic, but I did pick this up because it's very pretty. It's like a tunic. It's embroidered. Excellent condition. Very, very pretty top. And this one I paid $1 for, and I will list this on eBay and Posh. And on eBay it was between $15 and $19, and on Posh was maybe around $20, maybe. Anyhow, I thought I'd give it a try, and I got that for $1. On both platforms, it's really a listings game, volume. You have got, the more you list, the more you sell. And it's just the way that it goes, you know. So sometimes it is good to pick up the dollar items because you got to keep volume going, you know, and build it up. And then, you know, try to work in some of the more, you know, higher end ones. But, you know, it all depends on your own personal model for your business, on what you'd like to do. I have decided to try to start looking for some more of the higher end brands. But, you know, sometimes you got to pay up for that. This next item is a silver jeans, and these are 25 size, 25 waist, 33 length, which is a pretty nice length. And I looked it up on both. I passed these up for a long time, but then I'd seen that silver does sell, and these do have the, you know, decorated, you know, rear pockets on it. And on eBay, maybe 15 to 27 was the range, and on Posh it was between $10 and $30. I will charge shipping for these on eBay because, and obviously on Posh, but because they'll be over, you know, the first class. And that's silver jeans, and thought we'd give it a try. This next item, I have two of them, and I was unsure about picking these up. They're Thomas Dean shirts. They're like really great condition. I mean, they're like almost like a brand new. They actually do have a flip cuff, you know, pattern to it, but it's Thomas Dean, and there's two of them, and I was going to lot them together, but I think I might list them separately because they go anywhere from $15 to $24, and I only paid $1 each for them, and I think I'll just go ahead and list them that way. And it's Thomas Dean. Anyhow, like I said, you just kind of got to go with what you find a lot too. But I just wanted to do a really quick haul video for you. I was gonna wanted to do that real quick after, you know, I got home from the car show. And anyways, and it was really super fun. And if you could, I'd really appreciate you pushing the like button or subscribing. If you subscribe and push the notification button, then it'll let you know when I upload more videos. I've been trying to get a few out every week, anywhere between 2 to 5 a week. And anyhow, I really enjoy being able to share some of the knowledge and things that I have learned over time. And I really appreciate the other people that's the other resellers on eBay that have done that. Or I mean on Whoa, on YouTube, you know, the Posh and the eBay sellers, because I've learned a lot from both, you know, for on Posh and eBay, and I really appreciate it. Anyhow, and please leave me a comment on some of the brands that you pick up. Are you finding mostly just the common brands, or are you finding a lot of the high-end brands? I'd greatly appreciate it. Thank you. Have a blessed day.